Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am doing some foil fun. Now I have been wearing these clear nails for probably a week and a half, and I really wanted to spruce them up because I was looking at them and I was just like, I need something a little more. Well, there's a little bit of lifting on one of them, so I'm just gonna walk you through kind of what I did here because I think, you know, everyone likes to pretend that they're perfect. I am far from perfect, so I want to show you that I do make mistakes. Lifting happens, so I'm going to remove that lifting, and this is in a little bit of a fast forward motion. And so I took that bit, it's a ceramic bit, and it has a very fine tip, although it's like a safety bit fine tip, so it's super gentle. I'm not doing a lot of pressure here. I'm just mostly staying on the gel, and then there's a little bit of lifting from my nail bed, because again, these are a little bit older set of nails, so I am just kind of pushing it out of the way and just making sure I can get a new clear base of jelly on. I'm using the Jimmy gel, so again, just taking a little bit off. I don't bring it all the way back. I'm just filling in exactly where my nail has grown out, but I think it's always nice to see, you know, maybe how someone fixes something real quick without having to do a new full set. So again, taking that Jimmy gel, and I'm gonna wipe most of it off my brush here. This is super thick, like think Light Elegance matte top coat, and that had been sitting out for like 2 years. So it's like super gummy, and I guess that helps it stick to the nail because it's awesome. I like it. I don't really care for it for extensions, even though I do, you know, every once in a while if I chip a nail or I like cut it down and I just want a little bit of an extension, I'll do it as well. So what I did is I put that thin layer down, which is that base layer, and then I took a little bit on the brush. You can see we're still pretty flat there, and I kind of just run it down the side where I had taken off that gel. So there, you can kind of see it. I'm just letting it run down, and then once I get it towards the, I would say, if it's in thirds, that middle third, so kind of like 2/3 to allow it to dome again, because we want to keep our apex. Even though my nails are pretty short, you still need a little bit of an apex. And again, I have a million colors on, so give that a cure. And those are the colors 132 and the foil I'm using. And then I'm using the, oh, I just missed the name, that foil glue, whatever it was. And I like this foil glue. Sometimes I have trouble with it. I don't know if it's my lamp. Maybe it's just not curing correctly, or it just, like, part of it's a little bit sticky. I don't know. It could be, you know, it could be me. But most of the time I don't have any issues with it. But my lamp is also super old. I mean, like 10 years old, if not more. It may be time to upgrade, but I just love my little lamp. So I'm applying this all over the nail, and then I'm gonna give that a cure. And then I come in with the foil. I'm kind of planning out where I want it. I push down in the center and work my way out. So that's kind of my trick with foil, especially if you're doing something that's more of a fuller image, like this one is on this nail, and I think even the second one, that it's just a really full image. So by doing that, it allows you to kind of mitigate some of the creases by doing it this way. So again, place it in the middle, which brings it a little bit. Yeah, place it in the middle, push it down, and then push it to the outside. And I'm just using my nail because I can get all up in there, get towards that cuticle, you know, just get in there, and just rub it out. So once we do that, then we can go ahead and move on to the color, but it's just so satisfying peeling that off and just seeing that it literally is stuck to your nail. So that is a perfect picture. All right, so I'm taking that 132, which is kind of that corally peach. I thought it would match that orange a little bit more. It didn't, but I'm okay with it because it still looks really good. So I'm gonna go ahead and coat my nails in this, and I will catch you back.
You, baby, up with a slow motion crew, and we up in our growlings when people change, but not us. And we just chillin', kicking it, kissed by the sun. Could be soaked to the skin in the mall soon. I know she got the good vibes when seasons change, but we're the same. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding.
Right now we're going to do foil on the thumb. I don't think I even showed you the color application on the thumb, but you know, hindsight 2020. So I applied that 132, and now I'm applying that foil gel, and I'm kind of mapping out where I want the foil, and then I'm like, I'm gonna take this little piece and kind of like have it come out the side, and I was like, okay, perfect. So again, I'm going to apply that, and then once I apply this, I'm going to do a matte top coat for anything that doesn't have the foil on it, and then anything that does have the foil, I will do a glossy. And that's going to be it for this. So I hope you guys liked this quick little fun summer tutorial, and thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.
Will turn without us, and I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know it